Hello dear. Today our editorial start on the shuffling feet on foreign trade and policy response. Navigating this year foreign trade dynamics needs sharper policy responses. India goods export, a key driver of its growth impulses and a major job creator, got off to a disappointing start in 2023. Merchandise shipments fell 6.6% year on year to $32.91 billion in January. While this is the second month of the contradiction, export the dip is more than double the 3% drop in December 2022 and marked a sharp 13.6% sequentially decline, along with an anticipated post Christmas cooling off in demand, and order books probably took a hit as much from actual slowing of economic activity as buyers vary assessments about consumer consumer confidence level with the new year kick, kicking kicking off and a pall of gloom and doom on the global economic outlook. Engineering exports fell 10%. Pharma product lost monument momentum as did 14 others product out of India's top 13 export items including jewelry and textiles. The silver lining is that imports dipped too, bringing the goods trade deficit to a 12-month low of just $17.75 billion, a far cry from the $25 odd billion averaged in each of the previous 6 months and the record $29.23 billion gap of September 2022. If this trend holds, India's current account deficit of for 2022 and 23 may end up lower than the uncomfortable 3% plus level of GDP projected by most agencies. Yet, फिर भी, the drop in imports during January suggests domestic demand growth is fading. While fading means बढ़िए, बढ़ना, grow. While the year on year drop was just 3.6, the $50.66 billion import bill for January is the smallest in 18 months and 15.8% lower than December revised $60.2 billion figure. Only a part of this step down can be ascribed to lower commodity price as non-oil and non-global non-oil imports have fallen by a sharper 6.7% from January 2022 level. The Commerce Ministry has argued that India's weaker trade balance this financial year has been driven by the two-way effect of a slowing world economy hurting export and resilient domestic demand soaring up imports. That effect no longer seems to be at work. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has rightly flashed concern about Indian exporters' prospects this year amid global slowdown fear. Her prescriptions that exporters keep closer tab on development in different markets to avoid being demotivated is also spot on. Amid the all over headwinds का मतलब होता है अपोजिट, आने वाली हवा मतलब किसी के द्वारा रोकना. Trends are diverging in key markets. US retail sales rebounded to grow faster than expected in January, while Japan's trade deficit hit a record. More UK-based trading business now expect an uptick in turnover this March compared to those that expect a fall. As per a survey by its Strategic Office, industrial bodies and the government must work in tandem to tap shrinking opportunities better and help exporters move across this river of uncertainty by feeling the pebbles along the way. थैंक यू डियर. आज शायद मैंने थोड़ा धीरे पढ़ा है, लेकिन मैंने एक एक वर्ड को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ा है. मेरे को भी थोड़ी इंग्लिश समझ में कोई वर्ड पकड़ में नहीं आते हैं. हमारा मीडियम है वो हिंदी है, इसलिए थोड़ी सी पकड़ बनानी पड़ेगी. बैंकिंग में इंग्लिश मस्ट बी हमारे लिए. तो ट्राई करते हैं अपना बेटर देने की, बाकी वो जाने, उसका काम जाने. हमें रिग्रेट नहीं रहना चाहिए कि हम कर सकते थे और हमने किया नहीं. बस इतना ही. थोड़ी बीच में तबीयत ख़राब थी तो मैं अपने एडिटोरियल नहीं बना पाई, पर कोई ना, आज से स्टार्ट हो गए वापस. हम भी आ गए वापस लड़ने के लिए. चलो, थैंक यू. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.